Today is Miggy's first day of school. Excited kami na kinakabahan. Una, excited kasi magkakaroon siya ng new friends and he would also learn new things sa school. Pero kinakabahan kami kasi first time din yung sumakay ng bus mag-isa. So I don't know what to expect kung sasakay ba siya or ihahatid lang namin siya mamaya. So tulog pa si Miggy ngayon and we're gonna prepare for his lunch box and yung mga damit na dadalhin niya and mga things na dadalhin niya sa school. Hintay lang namin siyang gumising kasi it's still early pa naman. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's your first day of school. Are you excited? Okay, Mom is preparing your food. Okay, ito ang lunchbox ni Miggy. Meron siyang fruits, orange and grapes, biscuits, mixed rice, and gummies. And meron din siyang juice and Rice Krispies. Right? Yay! This is your lunchbox, your food. Of course, water. Are you ready? You ready? Okay, so we're gonna put this inside your bag, okay? Your water and your lunchbox. Okay, so you have your extra clothes?
That's not a lot of clothes.
No, the one in the plastic bag. And this is your outdoor shoes.
Indoor
Putting-
shoes.
or
That's the indoor shoes.
Yeah, that's the indoor shoes. Your lunchbox.
It's not there.
What?
It's inside.
It's inside, yeah. And then your water bottle. Okay? It's your water bottle. Yes. Okay. Miggy's bag is ready. Don't forget your vitamins. Eat it.
Eat it. You eat it.
You eat it, your vitamins. Yeah. You have to put your hoodie because it's cold outside.
When is the first hot?
Huh?
When is the first hot?
Yeah, I know. Okay. Fix your hair.
Oh, Daddy.
Hold me, Dave. Are you ready for
Yeah.
school?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna meet new friends and you need to learn a lot, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you will ride the school bus.
Yeah.
When you go to the school, your teacher will pick you up, okay?
Yeah.
I'll pick you up there at the corner, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
What happened to the teddy bear?
Your breakfast.
Banana.
Oh, like it?
Yeah.
Ready for school?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. You're heavy? Is it heavy?
Mabigat naman, Daddy.
Let's go, guys. We're back now.
Yes, I want it to be Cassie.
Okay.
Ayun guys, nakasakay na si Miguel ng si Miggy ng bus. Hindi ko na na-videohan kasi nahiya ako kasi may mga ibang bata eh. So, privacy na ng mga bata. So, itong gagawin namin, susundan namin, try namin habulin yung bus to see kung anong gagawin ni Miggy pagbaba. Nakaka-excite, parang, first day of school ng anak mo.
Tumakay ng bus.
Sumakay ng bus. Mag-isa. Okay lang naman sumakay ng bus kasi may mga helper doon, yung mga 8-10 years old na mga nakasakay ng bus. Sila yung mag-guide or help doon sa mga maliliit. Tsaka cool yung driver. Try namin maabutan yung bus before dumating. Kasi we're like 6 minutes away drive. Galing sa bahay papuntang school. So we're 6 minutes away. Medyo traffic kasi nga pasukan. Well, let's see. Nahiya si Miggy kanina sa mga bata eh. Doon sa...
All girls kasi.
All girls kasi. Siguro masasanay din siya pag meron siya mga friends. But for first time, ayaw na talagang buti sumakay. At hindi umiyak.
No,
Yun yung...
then nung nakita niya yung bus,
Mm-mm.
sinakbit na niya yung bag.
Ang na-feel mo na
Wala!
nag-aaral niya. Ba't ka teary-eye?
Hindi ah!
Naiyak ka!
Hindi ah! Hindi ako iyak.
Yun lang na mukhang hindi na namin maabutan yung bus. Andun sa kabila?
hindi. Doon ang entrance nila.
Eh.
Ayun, may mga nagpipicturan sila ng first day of school. Hindi na magpicturan si Miggy.
So ayan guys, malapit na kami sa school ni Miguel, ni Miggy. So daming tao. Ayan, marami naka-parking guys, so maglalakad na lang kami at tingnan natin kung maabutan pa natin si Miggy. Ayan, try namin tingnan kung maabutan pa namin si Miggy before sa pumasok sa school. Ayun, so nakita namin si Miggy na nakapila. So nung una parang kinakabahan kami kasi hindi namin makita si Miggy. Maliit kasi. So nandun sila sa the other side sila. Pero nakita namin parang nawala na yung fear namin. Kasi first time isipin mo 4-year-old papasok ng school na mag-isa, naka-bus, tapos di mo alam kung sino kung anong gagawin niya pagkababa ng bus. Pero ayun naman, successful naman siyang nakarating ng school at na guide ng teacher niya. So mamaya susundin ko si Miggy doon sa same spot na sakayan na ng bus. Yun lang for now. Update natin mamaya ang pag-uwi ni Miggy. Tatanungin natin yung kung anong nangyari sa araw na to. Hi! Come on! Thank you! First day of school. How was it? Good? Let's go. Ba't hindi ka na nakapagsalita? What happened? Huh? Huh? Yeah, we're gonna go home now. Good job, Anak. Good job.